So today I'm here at the Auto Pavilion in Uitenhage. That's the Volkswagen museum and factory. Volkswagen South Africa has got a huge factory over here. They build polos for export and for the local market. And we're here on a factory tour. And the tour is absolutely free. They do it Monday to Friday, 9 to 1 on the hour. And you get to walk through the museum as well. Some very interesting Volkswagens here. So the tour we can't film on. But I have taken a walk, or I will take a walk around the museum and just show you a few of the cars here. Very, very interesting indeed. And as I say, completely free, so well worth a visit. So beautiful early Beetle. This would be... Series 1 Jetta. Love the interior on these things. And then, speaking about Mark 1 builds, of course here in South Africa, they only finished production, I think, in 2009 or 2010. So here's a very early one, 1978, and this is one of the last ones here. And the City Golf was launched after the Golf 2 came out in 1985. Herbie. Look how beautiful this. W12 Audi A8. A beautiful carbon gear as well. Top 3. This year is the last Beetle to roll off the production line here in South Africa in 1979. Beautiful velour upholstery in it. The Volkswagen plant started here in 1949, and of course it produced a bunch of different stuff other than Volkswagen's produced, Studebakers and then also Volvos in 1973 on.
This is what you want? Yeah.
Quite a cool sort of interactive display here at top. You can design a car. Oh. There we go. The Beetle cut in half. Actually racing. Can you see?
Ja.
So definitely worth a visit here at the Volkswagen Pavilion here in Uitenhage, and entrance is free. Incredible. They're open. They're not open on weekends, I don't think, but open Monday to Friday. Well worth a visit.